to share some perspective with you. And again, this is taken from that great trial lawyer in Amarillo, Marty Jones. He told me once that lawyers don't make the facts. We have to find the facts and present them, dig them up sometimes, but we don't make them. The facts are what they are. And sometimes you'll have a client that has a case that simply cannot be won on the facts. And you need to realize it's not necessarily your fault that you lost. The same is true about witnesses. We can work with witnesses, we can improve witnesses, but as Frank Jones at Fulbright Jaworski taught me, good witnesses are born. They're not made. Some people just testify well, and some will never testify well, no matter how much you work with them. That's just part of the litigation game, and do all you can, but don't beat yourself up about it if the witness craters on you. Finally, we don't make the law. We present arguments as to what the law should be. We present research, telling the court we think this is what the law is. But ultimately, we're the advocate. The judges get to decide what the law is, and the legislature if you're dealing with statutes. Sometimes you're just met with a legal impediment that try as you best can, you can't get around it. That's all you're hired to do. We don't get to make those decisions. So to close with a bit of humor, but also some of the truest advice I ever received, this one goes back to Bill Parse, a senior partner at Fulbright Jaworski when I was there so many decades ago. And Bill told me one time, Roger, the best client you will ever have in your life is one who will never take your advice, but will always pay your bills. Because they will constantly be in trouble. They'll know that you were right, so they'll come back to you, and they will keep paying you to correct their mistakes. And after 41 years of doing this, Bill Parse was absolutely correct. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I've enjoyed it. And let's keep the discussion going with your comments. And I wish you sincerely the best of all possible luck in your careers. Thank you for listening.